Want to give your kitchen or bathroom a fresh, modern look without spending thousands? This DIY backsplash transformation using tile, peel and stick options, and even grout will completely change your space. Today, I'll show you 3 budget-friendly backsplash makeover methods that anyone can do, whether you want real tile, easy peel and stick panels, or a grouted finish that looks high-end. Definition: a backsplash is the wall covering behind counters, stoves, or sinks, designed to protect the wall from splashes while adding style and personality to your space. Why importance? Upgrading a backsplash instantly elevates your kitchen or bathroom. It makes cleaning easier, prevents wall damage, and adds value to your home, all while allowing you to express your style. Step-by-step practical guide. 1. Clean and prep the wall by removing grease, dust, or old adhesive. 2. Measure the backsplash area and cut your material to size. 3. For real tiles, apply adhesive evenly and place tiles rail by rail. 4. For peel and stick, simply peel the backing and press firmly onto the wall. 5. For grout, apply it after the tiles are set, then wipe away excess with a sponge. 6. Seal and polish the finished backsplash for durability and shine. Tools explained. Measuring tape for accurate cuts. Utility knife or tile cutter for trimming, level to keep lines straight. Adhesive or peel and stick panels depending on your choice. Grout and sponge for finishing touches, workflow. Start from the center and work outward, checking alignment as you go. Always double-check measurements before cutting. Once placed, press tiles or panels firmly to ensure no gaps. Apply grout last for a smooth, professional finish. Quick tips: warm peel and stick panels slightly with a hairdryer to improve adhesion. Use spacers for even tile placement. Always wipe away grout haze before it hardens. Choose light reflecting tiles in small kitchens to make the space feel larger. Cost comparison. Traditional tile with grout can cost around $10 to $15 per square foot. Peel and stick backsplash panels start as low as $3 to $5 per square foot. DIY labor saves you hundreds compared to professional installation. Your backsplash transformation doesn't have to be complicated or expensive. With tile, peel and stick, or grout, you can create a stunning space that looks professionally done. If you're ready to start your own project, hit that like button, subscribe for more DIY makeovers, and share this video with a friend who needs a budget-friendly upgrade.